Hello everyone, very good morning. Today May 27th, 2025, these are the briefs for Finance Today MX. Thanks for joining us. Mexico confirms 0.2% GDP growth in Q1, without a technical recession. Mexico confirms 0.2% GDP growth in the first quarter, without a technical recession. The national economy confirmed a positive result at the start of 2025, driven primarily by the primary sector, at a complex time due to the uncertainty generated by the U.S. government's new tariff policy. Inflation in Mexico rebounds and exceeds the Bank of Mexico's tolerance range. Consumer prices in Mexico remained high at the beginning of the month and even exceeded the Bank of Mexico's tolerance range, due to widespread increases in all its components, but especially those whose performance is more volatile. U.S. House approves Trump's tax bill with a lower tax on remittances. The United States House of Representatives approved the budget bill known as the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, promoted by President Trump, which includes lower taxes and cuts in public spending, the Wall Street Journal reported. Business. Fiber Next's IPO uncertain due to tariff uncertainty, VCP Securities. In February of this year, the real estate investment trust Fiber Uno received confirmation of eligibility from the Tax Administration Service, SAT, for its Fiber Next vehicle to enjoy the tax benefits of a fiber network and thus carry out its initial public offering, IPO. However, its execution is uncertain given the uncertainty in the markets surrounding U.S. tariff changes, according to a report by the investment bank VCP Securities. Televisa reshuffles Izzy's executive board during the merger with Sky. Grupo Televisa, the Mexican telecommunications and television company, has made changes among its top executives at its telecommunications subsidiary, Empresas Cablevision, a company better known by its brand name, Izzy. Soriana expects double-digit growth in its Julio Regalado campaign, despite tight consumption. Organization Soriana, one of the leading supermarket chains, is preparing its summer discount campaign, Julio Regalado, at a time when it recognizes that consumption is tighter in the Mexican market. Economy. Mexico increases FDI capture by 5.4% in Q1 to a record $21.4 billion, says Marcelo Ebrard, Mexico's Secretary of Economy. The Mexican economy received $21.4 billion in foreign direct investment in the first quarter of the year, an unprecedented figure that was 5.4% higher than the $20.3 billion recorded in the January-March 2024 period, said Marcelo Ebrard, the Federal Secretary of Economy. Markets. The peso weathers volatility and advances 0.5% against the dollar.